Chef Lala, and I'm going to teach you how to make a Mexican fruit bionico. First, I'm going to start with some strawberries. This is actually my son's favorite fruit. It's one of those things. This is a great way to get your kids to eat fruit. Bionico in Spanish means bionic, and it probably means that because of all these wonderful ingredients that we have in this little parfait of ours. This is one of those things that in Mexico street vendors sell. And it's awesome. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and a lot of other wonderful antioxidants. Anything that's red, think antioxidants. And then we're going to have our bananas. Now, bananas are an awesome source of potassium. They're also very filling. Great source of energy also. So take a couple of slices of bananas in there. And there's really no rules for bionicos. You can add the fruit that you have at hand. This is just what's traditional as I remember it when I used to visit my grandmother in Mexico. Also, some apples. You can use any choice. I'm using Fiji today. Golden Delicious are awesome. Also, the green apples, nice little sour punch. Apples are great for your teeth. It's a great way to have nice, clean teeth. Also, high in fiber, makes you feel full longer. So when you have a snack like this, you're not munching every 5 minutes or something. So we're gonna get some apples in there. Okay, now comes the fun part. Traditionally, we use condensed milk in Latin countries. Now, condensed milk is just cow's milk from which water's been removed, and then they add a little bit of sugar. Now, if you want to keep it healthier, like I do, I always add yogurt instead. And then it's a very thick type of creamy sauce, and it lasts on your shelf for a long time. So it's one of those things that if you have fresh fruit, you could just go ahead and pour it on there, which is nice. Okay, now we're going to add some raisins, which is always lots of fun. And they're a great source of carbs, and they have antioxidants that help your cells fight off free radicals. Also, next we're going to add a little bit of coconut. Now, coconut is one of the most nutritious of all fruits. So if you can, try to incorporate it whenever you can. In Latin countries, we do it a lot. I don't think it's used as much in America. It's just filled with nutrients. A little bit of granola, some nuts, great source of protein. And that's it. I'm Chef Lala, and I hope you enjoyed how to make a Mexican fruit bionico.